man, it's your boy Young Filly. Right now, I am joined with man like Hicks, and you are watching Footasylum Unboxed.
So today, we're unboxing the VaporMax Plus in grey. Bam. So the VaporMax Plus is a hybrid of two shoes. Now let me know in the comments below what you think those two are. Do you have any ideas?
Asking the wrong guy. Do you know what? The one thing I can tell, yeah, is that this is TN.
Yeah, so the VaporMax is actually just the sole. The upper is called the Plus from the TN. The TN is actually just tuned air. So the TN was created by Sean McDowell.
That's what TN stands for?
Yeah, TN is tuned air, bro. The air's underneath the logo. On the TNs, the air is...
I'm so sorry. It is, yes, he's right. The air is under the TN. Go on, carry on.
You see this shank here? The carbon shank that goes right through? What's that look like? Can you see?
Yeah, let me see.
Imagine a beautiful sea.
Ocean, wave.
Yeah? The whale's tail coming through.
No, he hasn't done it. No, he hasn't done it because of that. You're lying to me. That's a whale's tail.
That's a whale's tail.
That rhymed, a whale's tail. Is it?
Yeah, man.
I was sick then. See, and that's the problem that I have. I just look at the train and think, yeah, these are hard. But I wouldn't, do you get what I'm saying? I wouldn't like look at it deep and try work out what it means. And do you do that? Is that something you do? Or is it just because you...
No, so if I'm buying a crep, I like the crep, I wear the crep. But there's a lot of thought process and I love that part of the aspect of trainers.
What do you mean?
So you see this, his personal inspiration has gone from sunny holidays to ocean views, you know, whales' tails, palm trees, and he's put that in the shoe.
So talk to me about the colourway. Like, I feel like Nike sometimes go very wild and sometimes play it very safe.
Yeah, so there's different parts of the gradient on this where it goes from dark grey to grey.
Like a fade, isn't it? Almost
yeah,
like...
So when Sean McDowell actually started this, the original colourway was yellow into burnt orange.
Oh yes, I remember those ones.
The sunsets.
Yes, I remember those ones.
Come on, all right. And look what he's done, he defined it back in '98, man.
Wow. So you're actually giving man history lessons today. Man like Hicks. Now, you have the chance to win a pair of these bad boys. All you've got to do in order to enter is subscribe, like, and comment your shoe size with one word that you would use to describe these bad boys. I've been your boy Young Filly.
I've been your boy Hicks.
And you've been watching Footasylum Unboxed.